Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So here's a quick update. If you've been following my journey, you know I started my backyard tomato farm with less than 5,000 naira. If you haven't seen that first video, make sure you check it out. I'm going to link it in the description. So here's a quick update on how things are going. What have I done so far? In total, I have about 41 plants here in this very first batch I've planted. Like I've said in my previous video, I started doing the pruning and now I've already done the trellising to support the tomato plants. And that's the red ropes you are seeing. Although I'm not sure that's the best rope to use, not the best way to do it. I just had to spring into action when heavy winds started blowing and it really affected the uprightness of the plants. So I didn't start early enough, that's my mistake, which is something I'm going to be taking note of when I'm planting the next batch. And as you can see, I have cleared the weeds here so that I can plant the next batch here. That's the reality of farming. You learn as you go. And the point is, you don't need to wait until everything is perfect before you start. Just begin with what you have, learn from your mistakes, and keep improving. I also did a little habanero plantation here as well. And I'm going to share more of the updates very soon. So if you want to follow my farming journey or get small business ideas, side hustles and money tips, make sure you subscribe. Let me show you how the plants are growing. Let me show you around this small farm, how they are fruiting, and I'll see you in the next update.